Made it to Sante Fe and checked into the Rey Court. It is super cute. Here we go.
On my way back home, with nothing on my tongue, sending prayers to somewhere else, to
Welcome to the El Rey.
else. I have no source, nothing to define my soul, just me.
There's really awesome live music going on, really good drinks. They have ranch water. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, we're just really trying to soak up this place. We've enjoyed it so much. We're doing our best to not move in. So good.
Maybe I need to run and hide. Don't you worry, I won't get lonely. Baby, this is not your love, not the one you're dreaming of. So here's for my Rey. After this very long day, or just smile, just for a while.
Alright, this is Heather. She is bartender extraordinaire here in Santa Fe. 2 restaurants, Paloma and Reina.
La Reina de El Rey.
Yes. Anyways, she has recommended Al as the best places for us to go here in Santa Fe, as well as being an expert in mezcal. Come see her.
Yeah.
More than a sin, but my words are falling against me. Is it worth a try? Baby, you know I'll never lie. Yes, I see something else. It's beyond your pretty face. It's beyond your pretty face. So here's for my Rey. After this very long day, or just smile, just for a while, before you turn your
Mezcal aficionado.
Start over.
No!
I wasn't pressing play, sorry.
What's wrong with you?
Second time.
It's better the second time, you know that,
It
right?
never is.
Go.
Duck carnitas tacos. You are in my face.
What'd you say?
You're in my face.
Oh, yes. That was your close-up, honey.
3 nights in hotel, food per diem, table up front for merch, $9,000.
I don't know, it seems like a lot for an a cappella group from a college we never went to.
Did you even hear the music I just played for you?